Hello, my name is Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Grand California 600. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 bhp. This is accompanied by an automatic transmission. This Grand California is a 4-berth camper and comes finished in a very stylish looking two-tone colour combination reflex silver over Indium Grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, the California comes with LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the lower portion of the front bumper there's a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below across all 4 wheels we'll find the 17-inch Lismore alloy wheels which come in a very nice silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a high-mounted rear view reversing camera, and this paired with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Opening up the rear doors and taking a look at some of the features inside here. On the left hand side in the door we'll find a folding table as well as a single camping chair. Moving across we'll find the outdoor shower which can be tucked away very nicely, as well as the outdoor shower controls which have a hot and cold feature. Along with this there is plenty of storage space in the back of the Grand California. Moving on inside and starting at the kitchen area, the Grand California comes fitted with a fridge with a little freezer compartment as well as a wire rack. Inside the vehicle we'll also find a twin hob burner as well as a sink with a foldable tap. Beneath this unit there is a variety of different storage compartments as well as some of the controls for the heating. All the drawers have a very nice soft close feature. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll take a look at the 2-berth sleeping area here. There's a few amenities in the back such as USB Type A charging points, and lining the rear wall and the sides we'll find these airline style flight storage compartments. Moving into the bathroom area we have a shower head that doubles as a retractable tap, a folding sink, and there's also a cassette toilet. This area also doubles as a wet room once using the shower. The other 2-berth sleeping area can be located over the cab. To drop this down we just firmly press a button and pull it back. An access ladder is also provided and can be stored up here when the 2-berth sleeping bed is not in use. Taking a look at the dinette area, there is a 2-seater rear passenger bench finished in the Valley fabric seat trim covers. The 2 front seats have a swivel feature, providing a more homely feel once parked up at your destination. These seats come with 2 armrests each and again are finished in the Valley fabric seat trim covers and provide plenty of leg space for the driver as well as the front passenger. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, or they can utilise the App Connect feature. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The vehicle also comes with navigation. This here is the Discover Media navigation system with 3D maps, and once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on this screen. Located beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the camper. This California comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. To the left of this we'll have the buttons for the heated windscreen as well as the heated steering wheel, and just below this we'll have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is useful for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel, which provides a more unique and customizable driving experience. This concludes the walk around of this Volkswagen Grand California 600. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.